So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Starlink offline, unplugged, rebooting, cable reseat, power cycling and app fix. So how to fix Starlink offline, unplug, rebooting, cable reseat, power cycling and app fix. Check the Starlink app to confirm whether the status shows offline, unplugged or rebooting. Reseat the Starlink cable firmly at both the dish and router. Then power cycle by unplugging the system for 5 minutes and unplugging it back in. If the issue continues, ensure a stable wall power source and contact Starlink support for hardware diagnostic or replacement. So the steps are: check status in the Starlink app. Before touching any hardware, confirm the error. The app tells you whether the problem is related to power, cable or system software. Open the Starlink app on your phone. Go to status. Note the message down. Offline, dish not connected to the network. Unplugged, cable or power issue detected. Rebooting, system stuck restarting. Step 2. Reseat the Starlink cable. Most important fix. Starlink uses a simple cable for both power and data. Even a slightly loose connection can cause offline or reboot loops. Unplug the Starlink cable for the router, then unplug the cable from the dish. Then inspect both ends. Look for bent pipe, pins and check for dirt, moisture or damage. Firmly plug the cable back into the dish. Push until it clicks and feels fully seated. Firmly reconnected the cable to the router. Root. The step 3. Power cycle the Starlink system. A power cycle clears temporary firmware and connection errors. This forces the router and dish to restart cleanly and re-stabilize satellite links. Unplug the Starlink power cable from the wall outlet. Then wait 5 full minutes. Do not skip this. Plug the power cable directly into a wall outlet. Then wait 10 to 15 minutes for Starlink to reconnect. Step 4. Check power source stability. Inconsistent voltage can interrupt the dish power and trigger constant reboots. Unstable power can cause repeated rebooting. Then plug Starlink back directly into a wall outlet. Avoid power strips, extension cords and UPS devices unless Starlink approved. Ensure the outlet is not loose or faulty. Step 5. Use Starlink app diagnostics. The diagnostic confirms whether the problem is software related or a physical hardware issue. If the issue continues, check for hardware warnings. Then open the Starlink app, go to Settings, Advanced, Debug Data. Look for alerts such as cable fault, power warning and dish not detected. So the step 6 is factory reset the router, last resort. Only do this if all previous step fails. A factory reset clear corrupted settings that may cause endless rebooting or offline status. Then unplug the Starlink router from power, then plug it back in and unplug it again. Repeat this 6 times in a row. Wait for the router to reset. Reset up Starlink using the app. So the step 7th, contact Starlink support. Contact support if the app still shows unplugged after cable resetting. The system never finished rebooting. Diagnostic shows a cable or a dish fault. Starlink support can run remote test and replace faulty cables, routers or dishes up needed. Thank you. So these are the steps which can help you to fix this issue. Bye.